Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel, Cooking to Inspire. As Navratri is going on, today's recipe is an upvas special Sabudana khichdi, which is very simple, very easy and tasty to prepare. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So beautiful souls, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my new uploads. And if you have any suggestions or comments, drop it in the comment box. I'll be eagerly waiting for them. Navratri Upvas Special Sabudana Khichdi. For the Upvas Special Sabudana Khichdi, we need soaked sabudana, boiled and diced potatoes, grounded peanuts, zeera, lime juice, green chilies chopped, curry leaves, pudina leaves, salt, black pepper and sugar. For the soaked sabudana, you have to soak the sabudana for 15 minutes, then keep it in a sieve for 8 to 10 hours so that the water seeps down and each sabudana separates like this. Heat the pan, add ghee, then add zeera, green chilies, curry leaves, let it sizzle, then add the potatoes, cook it for a few minutes, add some peanut powder. After a few minutes, add the sabudana and the salt, black salt and sugar and saute it for a few minutes. Please note, if you are preparing for upvas, don't add salt, add sendha namak, that is black salt. After sauteing it for a few minutes, add the remaining peanut powder. After adding the peanut powder, add the lime juice. Now saute it for at least 5 minutes. After approximate 5 minutes, you can garnish it with some mint and coriander leaves. And see, your khichdi is ready.